Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to extend door lock latch. Changing the basket on a door latch is quickly DIY project, especially since most modern latches are adjustable between 2 to 3 on 8 inches and 2 to 3 on 4 inches. This flexibility allows them to work with different door setups. The basket is the distance from the edge to the door to the center of the doorknob or lever. Most doors already have a pre-drilled hole for the hardware, so follow these steps to calculate the basket. Measure from the edge of the door to the nearest edge to the hole. Measure from the edge of the door to the furthest edge of the bore and then find the midpoint between the two measurements. To switch the latch between the two standard baskets, look at the top of the latch. There should be a small metal tab. Use your thumb or a small tool to depress the tab. This helps loosen the mechanism. Pull it outward to extend it and push it inward to shorten it. And make sure the tab clicks back into place to lock the new position. To change the basket back, follow the same process above but push the latch inwards in the final step instead of pulling it out. So make sure the latch is securely locked in its own position and test fit your knob or lever to confirm it lines up with the hole. If the latch doesn't adjust smoothly, apply a little lubricant or check for dirt buildup. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.